Hey everyone, welcome back to another Gym Beginner Series video. Today we're focusing on an interval cardio workout for beginners.
First, we're going to begin with a warm-up routine to get our blood flowing. This can be on any cardio machine of your choice. After that, we're going to be doing some dynamic stretches. I go over that routine in more detail in the video on the top right. Once you're all warm, you can get started on the next part of the workout.
So on any cardio machine, you're going to be alternating between higher intensity bursts and lower intensity recovery periods. So that's going to be 30 seconds of a hard effort, followed by 30 seconds of an easy effort. For beginners, this is a great ratio, but as you improve, you can increase your work period or decrease your rest period. Let's get started. So you can select any cardio machine you want. I'll be using a treadmill as an example. For the treadmill and stair climber, you can adjust the speed or incline. For the bike, elliptical, and rower, you can adjust by resistance. So for the first interval, we're going to go for a higher speed, let's say 5 for example. So we're going to go for 30 seconds at that high intensity. And then now we're going to go for a lower intensity. Now we're going to pick it back up again. Then we're going to bring it down to a lower intensity effort. Now you're going to repeat this sequence until you've done 15 to 30 minutes or longer of working out.
That completes the main part of the workout. If you have time, you can complete an ab burnout, which you can see in the video on the top right. Or if you need to finish up right now, you can go straight to your cool down. A cool down will help your muscles recover and improve your flexibility. For your cool down, you'll perform a variety of stretches, holding each stretch for 30 seconds. You can see the full routine in the video on the top right. Now that you've done an interval cardio workout, in the next episode, I'll introduce you to high intensity interval training, also known as a HIIT workout. Thanks for watching.